Hello, this is Roberta from the Cal Poly Admissions Office with your tip of the week. Today, I'd like to talk about making your transfer application more competitive. At Cal Poly San Luis Obispo, all transfer applicants must complete required coursework by the end of the spring term for fall admission. These courses are listed on the transfer selection criteria, which you can find by going to our website, clicking Apply, Transfer Student, and then Selection Criteria for Transfer Students. From there, click on the Selection Criteria link in the section titled Your Intended Program of Study. After selecting your major, click on the term you are applying for. Here you will find the list of required courses. Some majors will also list desired courses. Completion of any desired coursework can help give you that extra boost you may need to compete for a spot. If you are attending a California community college, you may use assist.org to verify that both your required and desired courses articulate with Cal Poly's courses. The best advice I can give you is to contact our admissions office if you are unsure of the classes you will need to complete. We are available Monday through Friday from 12 p.m. to 5 p.m. on the phone or anytime by email. Best of luck to you all, and we'll see you at Cal Poly.